go Cody. Cody's on a shark now. No, go like this. It's easier.
No. Yeah. Oh my god, so much.
Cody,
Oh my God.
get him, Cody. He dropped it. Real. He dropped it. Cody's on another shark. Finally.
Is he getting in an anchor line?
Wait, switch it around.
Damn, just go. Shark
Where's
on.
the shark?
Big one.
Wait, let me do a few pumps. I just want to see how heavy it is.
No, you can't.
I'm gonna hold it.
Gotta look. See? Action on the big ass shark.
I know it just fell.
Yo. This is my first big lemon. I've only caught baby lemons. It's like 200 pounds.
It tastes like lemon.
Huh?
It tastes good.
It tastes like lemon.
Surprised you can't see him now. How deep could it be?
This one.
Oh my god!
That's like a bull.
And that's not even the
That's
one.
not even the one.
Yo, this is. Oh, that's a shark. I thought that was like a manatee. Yo, that's the one right there.
No.
That's a turtle.
I caught a turtle?
No.
Is that not a turtle right there? That's a turtle. That was a...
He's coming. He's right there.
Oh my god.
It's gonna jump in.
Go.
Oh my god, this thing like is 8 feet.
Oh, yeah.
Look at all these other ones. 1,
Go
2,
catch the little one. I caught like the biggest one. I got the daddy.
You got it direct. Okay.
There's like 5 of them.
That's it.
Oh my god. I reel it in.
Oh, he's not happy.
Look at me.
Not yet. Yeah, maybe you should.
Good idea.
It's nice catching a shark.
It's amazing. Yo, we're both sweating our balls.
I know.
Shark.
Oh my god. So I'm a